Come in.
All right, we got one more coming in. Look out, Marianne, you don't want to get in the middle of this thing.
Let's see what you got. See what you got, guys. I'm not waiting.
Boom.
Stepped on my foot.
Stun him! Stun him! Oh. 1, 2, 3.
There. Look at it.
That's what a stunner feels like right there.